selecting Mutola is 7/8, and the probability of selecting Mwambi is 9/10. And then they say find the probability of selecting only one person. Okay, so since they have given us their probabilities, the probability of selecting Mutola is this one, Mwambi is this one. In order for us to find the probability of selecting one person between the two of them, we need to find the probability of not selecting the two of them. Probability of not selecting Mutola as well as probability of not selecting Mwambi. That's the first step. So in order for us to find probability of not selecting Mutola, so the probability of not selecting Mutola will be 1, okay? Because the total probability must be 1 minus a probability of selecting this one. So this same one, Mutola. So you get 1. We know what 1 means. 1 means when you get the probability of selecting somebody or not selecting, you add them, they should give you 1. So this is the one we are using. So we want to find the probability of not selecting this person. So we say 1 minus the probability of selecting this very person, which will give us 1/8. Again, we also find the probability of not selecting Mwambi. We need these probabilities of not selecting in order for us to do or to answer this question. So when you solve here, 1 minus 9/10, you have 1/10. So we now have the probabilities of not selecting these two. This one is 1/8. Mwambi is 1/10. So now to answer our question, we'll get the probability, or we'll say probability of selecting only one person. Okay? One person between the two of them will be equal to probability of selecting Mutola, which is 7/8, times probability of not selecting the other one, who is Mwambi, which is 1/10, plus, okay, the same thing which has happened here should also happen somewhere. It should happen here, where we get the probability of selecting Mwambi, which is 9/10, times the probability of not selecting Mutola, which is 1/8, the one we found. In short, we are just doing this. This is Mutola, probability here, times not for Mwambi, which is here, plus the probability of selecting Mwambi times the probability of not selecting Mutola, which is here. So when we do our calculations nicely, here we have 7/80 plus 9/80. So let me do my calculations somewhere here. So when you add this, you have 16/80, which is the same as 16 can be reduced to 1. Like 16 can go into 16. 16 into 80 is supposed to be 5. So this is our answer. So, okay, in order for us to find or to answer the next question, let me do this. To answer the next question, which says the probability of picking none of them, probability of none of them, like not picking anyone. What is the probability? You just get the probability of not picking Mutola times the probability of not picking Mwambi, which is equal to 1 over 80. So this is our answer.